Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss complex integration and their applications. Now, some problems which are solved by complex integration. Problem number first. Prove that integration over contour C z plus 1 dz this is equal to 0, where C is the boundary of the square whose vertices at the points z equal to 0, z is equal to 1, z equal 1 plus I and z equal to I. Now integration over C z plus 1 dz. So explain this problem with the help of graph. This is the x-axis, y-axis. Now this is origin. This point A, B, C, position of A 1, 0, B 1, 1, C 0, 1. This is equal to z is equal to 0 point, z is equal to 1 point, and z is equal to the position of B, z is equal to 1 plus I, and position of C, z is equal to I. Therefore, the vertices of square, there are given vertices of square. Now, the integration over contour, that is, it is a sum of integration over OA plus AB plus BC plus CO z plus 1 dz. This is denoted by equation number 1. Now along OA, the equation of OA is y is equal to 0. Now in this position, value of z is equal to x, that is dz equal to dx. Now x varies 0 to 1. Now integration over contour OA z plus 1 dz, this is equal to integration over contour OA. Now it is converted into x variable. This is equal to 0 to 1. Value of z plus 1 convert into x plus 1. Now dz convert into dx. This is equal to x square by 2 plus x, limit 0 to 1. This is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1. Now the complete value of integration over OA equal to 3 by 2. Now second integral along AB, the equation of AB, x is equal to 1, Now z is equal to 1 plus iy, that is dz is equal to I dy. Now y varies from 0 to plus 1, therefore integration over contour AB z plus 1 dz equal to integration 0 to 1. Now value of z 1 plus iy plus 1 as it. Now dz I dy, this is equal to integral limit 0 to 1, I is common, 2 plus iy dy, this is equal to I, 2y plus I, y square by 2, limit 0 to 1, this is equal to I, 2 plus I by 2, this is equal to 2I minus 1 by 2. Now again for third integral along BC, the equation of BC y is equal to 1, that is z equal to x plus I into 1. Now dz converted into dx only. In this case x varies from 1 to 0. Now integration over contour BC z plus 1 dz, this is equal to x plus 1 plus I. Now dz dx, the limit of x 1 to 0. Now integrate x square by 2 plus x plus ix, limit 1 to 0. Therefore on 0 the whole value of the function will be 0. Now for lower limit always minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 minus I, this is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus I. Now along CO, equation of CO, x is equal to 0, therefore z equivalent to Iy. Now dz convert into I dy, that is y varies from 1 to 0. Now this is equal to CO z plus 1 dz, this is equal to 1 to 0. Now z Iy plus 1, now dz I dy, this is equal to I common. Now integrate this, Iy square by 2 plus y, limit 1 to 0, this equivalent to now I square minus 1, now minus minus plus 1 upon 2 minus 1i, this is equal to 1 upon 2 minus I is a value of fourth integral. Now putting given four integrals, integral over OA, AB, BC and CO are put in equation number first. Now from equation number first, integration over contour C z plus 1 dz equal to, now value of first integral over OA line, this is equivalent to 3 by 2. Now value of second integral along AB 2i minus 1 by 2. Now value of third integral minus 3 by 2 minus I. Now value of first integral 1 upon 2 minus I, this equivalent to I cancel by 2i. Now 3 by 2 cancel by 3 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel by 1 by 2, Now total value will be 0. This is the complete solution. Now problem second. Evaluate integration c x plus y dx plus x square y dy. Number first, along y equal x square having 0, 0, 3, 9 as endpoints. Now second part, along y is equal to 3x between the same point. Now answer. In the case of y is equal to x square alone, now dy equal to 2x dx, that is x varies from 0 to 3. Therefore integration c x plus x square dx as it, plus x square into x square. Now dy 2x dx, this is equal to integral 0 to 3 x plus x square plus 2 x की power 5 dx. This is equal to x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus 2 by 6 x की power 6, limit 0 to 3. Now putting upper limit only, the lower limit value always 0. This is equal to 9 by 2 plus this is equal to 9 plus this cancel by this 3 to the power 5. Now this is the complete value of this 801 upon 4. This is equivalent to 225. This is the complete solution. Sorry, this is the wrong. This is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is the correct value. Now solving this, we get 27 upon 2 plus 3 to the power 5, 243. Now this is the complete value, equal to 27 plus 486 upon 2. Now this is equal to 513 upon 2. This equivalent to 256.5. This is the complete solution. Now second part is along y is equal to 3x, that is dy equal to 3 dx. Now x varies 0 to 3. Therefore integration over contour C, x plus y dx plus x square y dy. This is equivalent to integral limit 0 to 3. Now x plus 3x dx plus x square 3x into 3 dx. This is equal to 4x. Now integration 4 x square by 2 plus 9x cube, 9x to the power 4 upon 4. Now limit 0 to 3. This is equivalent to 2 into 9 plus 9 by 4 into 81. This is equal to 18 plus 729 upon 4. This is equivalent to 729 plus 72 upon 4. This is equal to 801 upon 4. This is equal to 200.25. This is the complete solution. Now problem. Next, problem number 3. Evaluate the integral integration over contour z square dz, where C is the arc of the circle z modulus is equal to 2 from theta equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 3. Now solution. Integration over C z square dz. This equivalent to theta is equal to 0 to pi by 3. Now z equal to, take the point of the boundary of the circle, z equal to 2 e to the power I theta. Therefore dz is equal to 2i e to the power I theta d theta. Now z square 4 e to the power 2i theta. Now dz 2i e to the power I theta d theta. This is equal to 8i 0 to pi by 3 e to the power 3i theta d theta. This is equivalent to 8i 3i theta upon 3i. Limit 0 to pi by 3. I cancel by this. Now 8 by 3 e to the power I pi minus 1 is equal to minus k 16 upon 3 is the complete solution. Now next problem. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. Evaluate the integration or integral over contour C real z square dz from 0 to 2 plus 4i along the line joining the point zero zero 0, 0 and 2, 4. Now answer. Since z equal to x plus iy, therefore z square equal to x plus iy whole square. Now squaring x square minus y square plus 2ixy taking real z square, this is equal to x square minus y square. Now integration c real z square dz equal and to integration x square minus y square. Now dz 1 plus 2y dx. We can explain this by the graph of the given line or given path. This is equal to x axis, y axis. Now this is equal to point B 2, 4. Now y is equal to 2x line. This is equal to point A 2, 0. This is equal to point C 0, 4. Along the line point joining 0, 0. This is equal to point to point 2, 4. We get a line y is equal to 2x. Since y is equal to 2x, therefore dy is equal to 2 dx. Now z is equal to x plus 2ix. Therefore dz is equal to 1 plus 2i dx. Since the value of dz, by putting the 1 plus 2i dx, that is z corresponding to x. Now value of x here 0 to 2. Now putting y is equal to 2x, that is 4x square. 0 to 2, x square minus 4 x square. Now 1 plus 2i dx as it. This is equal to minus 3 1 plus 2i as it. Integration minus 3 minus 6i x cube upon 3, limit 0 to 2. Now this is cancelled by this, minus common 1 plus 2i. Now 8, 3 cancelled by this, common, taking common. Now we get minus 8 plus 16i is a complete solution. Now taking next problem, problem number 5. Problem 5. Evaluate integration over contour C 2z plus 3 upon z dz, where C is number first part, upper half of the circle, upper half of the circle z modulus is equal to 2. That is, this is the equation of circle whose center 0 and radius 2 in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Now second part, lower half of the circle, lower half of the circle z modulus is equal to 2 in anti-clockwise direction, Number third, the unit circle z modulus equal to 2 in anti-clockwise direction, direction. Number first part, integration over contour C 2z plus 3 upon z dz. This is equal to integration 2 plus 3 upon z dz. Now z is equal to 2 e to the power I theta. Therefore dz is equal to 2i e to the power I theta d theta. Now the limit of theta in this case pi to 0, since they are taking the direction clockwise in the upper half circle. Now limit of theta pi to 0. Therefore limit pi to 0, 2 plus 3. Now value of z 2 e to the power I theta, say in numerator minus I theta, dz 2I theta e to the power I theta d theta. This equivalent to I common. Now 2 multiplied and integration pi to 0 as it. Now 4 e to the power I theta plus 3 d theta. This is equal to I 4 e to the power I theta upon I plus 3 theta. Now pi to 0. Therefore I cancel by this. This is equal to 4. Now e to the power 0 1 minus, this is equal to minus 1. Cos I pi is equal to minus 1. 1 of minus due to lower limit plus 3i 0 minus pi. Now 8 minus 3i pi is the complete solution in case of upper half of the circle z modulus is equal to 2 in clockwise direction. Now second part. In the case of second part, lower half of the unit circle, we can construct the circle z modulus is equal to 2. This is the lower half, x-axis, y-axis. This is the origin. Now lower half, this is equal to this. In the lower half, integration C 2z plus 3 upon z dz. This is equal to integration over C 2 plus 3 upon z dz. Now putting z equal to 2 e to the power I theta, dz is equal to 2i e to the power I theta d theta. This is equal to 2 plus 3 upon 2 e to the power minus I theta. Now dz 2i e to the power I theta d theta. The limit of theta in lower half pi to 2 pi in the direction of, this is the lower half, in the direction of, this is the upper half pi to 0, in lower half pi to 2 pi. Now I common, limit pi to 2 pi, 4 e to the power I theta plus 3 d theta. Now integrate 4 e to the power I theta upon I plus 3 theta. Now limit pi to 2 pi. Now I cancel, 4 e to the power 2 I pi minus e to the power I pi plus 3 I 2 pi minus pi. This is equivalent to 4, 1 minus plus, this is equal to 3 I pi. This is equal to 8 plus 3 I pi is the complete value of the integral along lower half of the circle in anti-clockwise. In case of complete circle, the value of integral 2z plus 3 upon z dz, this is equal to integration 2 plus 3 upon z dz, since z is equal to 2 e to the power I theta, that is dz is equal to 2i e to the power I theta d theta. In this case, theta varies 0 to 2 pi. Since this is the, in this case, the direction of the motion anti-clockwise, now theta varies 0 to 2 pi. This is equal to 0 to 2 pi. Now 2 plus 3 by 2 e to the power minus I theta, 2i e to the power I theta d theta. This is equal to I common, limit 0 to 2 pi, 4 e to the power I theta plus 3 e to the d theta. Now integrate 4 e to the power I theta upon I plus 3 theta, limit 0 to 2 pi. Now I cancel this, this is equal to 4 e to the power 2i theta is equal to 1 minus 1, this is cancelled. Now 3i 2 pi minus 0. Now 6i pi is the complete solution in this case. Now next problem. Problem number 6. Problem number 6. Prove that integration c dz upon z equal to minus I pi or I pi according as C is the semicircle arc z modulus is equal to 1, that is equation of circle whose center, origin and radius is unity, from z is equal to minus 1 to z equal to plus 1, above or below the real axis. Now minus 1 to plus 1, this is the direction of clockwise. Therefore we can take a circle z modulus is equal to 1. This is center 0, radius 1, z is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to plus 1 is this. Now taking minus 1 to plus 1, that is the direction of motion is clockwise. Now integration c dz upon z, this equal to now theta pi to 0. Now since z is equal to e to the power I theta, dz is equal to I e to the power I theta d theta, I e to the power I theta d theta. Now z e to the power I theta cancelled by this is equal to I theta pi to 0, this is equal to minus I pi. Now second case, or integration c dz upon z, this is equal to, in this case taking the limit pi to 2 pi, that is we can say in the half circle, lower half circle, the direction of motion of the path is anti-clockwise. Now limit of theta pi to 2 pi. Now dz I e to the power I theta d theta upon e to the power I theta, this cancel by this. Now our theta limit pi to 2 pi, I 2 pi minus pi, this is equal to I pi, is a complete solution. Now next problem, problem number 7. Problem 7. Evaluate integration over contour c z minus z square dz, where c is the upper half, c is the upper half of the circle, upper half of the circle, z modulus is equal to 1. What is the value of the integral? What is the value of integral if c is lower half? If c is lower half, c is lower half of the given circle, this is the upper half in lower half. Now this is the break point. Now in the first case, in upper half, integration c z minus z square dz. Now z is equal to e to the power I theta, dz is equal to e to the power I theta d theta into I. By solving, that is differentiate both sides, this is equal to, now contour integration convert into circle integration, the limit of theta 0 to pi, upper half circle, that is anti-clockwise direction, e to the power I theta e to the power 2 I theta. Now dz I e to the power I theta d theta. Now I multiply this and integrate 2 I theta upon 2i minus 3i theta upon 3i, limit 0 to pi. Now I cancel by this. This is equal to 1 upon 2, the value of e to the power of 1 minus 1. This is cancelled. Minus 1 upon 3, minus 1, minus 1. Now 2 by 3. The integration of integral, value of integration in case of upper half circle. In the case of lower half circle, in lower half circle, integration over c z minus z square dz. Now putting, in this case, the limit of theta pi to 2 pi. Now z e to the power I theta, e to the power 2i theta I, e to the power I theta d theta. This is equal to I common. Now multiplied and integrate e to the power 2i theta upon 2i minus e to the power 3i theta upon 3i, limit pi to 2 pi. Now I cancel by this. This is equal to 1 upon 2. Now putting the limit e to the power 4 pi, this is equal to 1 minus e to the power 2 pi plus 1. Now 1 upon 3 e to the power 6 pi 1 e to the power minus plus 1. This is equal to minus 2 by 3 is the complete solution. Okay.